Hi everyone, welcome to our project here in Dana Point. This is a new kitchen remodel. We just passed the drywall inspection and everything is getting wrapped up and ready to have paint. Right over here we had a huge wall that blocked the whole kitchen area. So we took down the wall, made a nice open flow kitchen that everything just combined together. They will have a brand new island here in the center with open flow. Now in the process we're taping, mudding and taping, and basically getting the drywall ready to have paint. I'll keep you updated. Will end up looking beautiful. It's going to be a whole new kitchen and living space remodel, new flooring, flooring paint throughout, and a new application of stone for the fireplace. Obviously everything is wrapped up and protected here since the homeowners don't live here now. The guys are working on the drywall now. The ceilings are getting ready. I'm excited to share with you what's it gonna look next. So keep tuned. I'll keep you updated.